Nitwa Ngwataniro ya Azimio ikinyiriirie ona thengia munini wa kamiti ya IEBC Juliana Cherera kuyeheria wabici-ini akiuga ni kihoto kiao gigatiba gutabania micemanio ino. Mutongoria wa NARC Kenya Martha Karua akiuga hamwe na ndeto ikonainie na makamicina ana IEBC aria mareganire na maumirira ma githurano magikwirwo mari na matanya ma guthoga maumirira maya micemanio ino no ikarongoreria maundu mangi matiganite makonie bururi.
The meeting will be a coming together of Kenyans to share views on the state of affairs in the country. The meeting is in line with Article 37 of the Constitution on the right to assemble, right to demonstrate, picket, and to petition. Under this article, every person has the right to peaceably and unarmed to assemble, to demonstrate, to picket, and present petitions to public authorities.
Karua oho nieranire micemanio ino igatabanio na njira ya thayo akihe mukana aria mangikorwo na mubango wa guthararia micemanio ino. Raila Odinga agithukira uritu miario yake.
We are dismayed that those in authority are trying to paint a horror movie. Some of them have even hoped that there will be no deaths. A clear indication that they are the ones planning mayhem.
Not demonstrating, we are not going to engage in any act of thuggery or hooliganism, and no property is going to be destroyed. We urge the government not to use an excuse to bring thugs there to try to disrupt this function.
Miario ya President Ruto akira Ngwataniro eno ihande cira igoti-ini niguo gutwithania ndungamo ya makamicina ya ikiraraka utongoria wa Azimio.
Since when did competition become the senior advisor or a cheerleader? Let us be serious and let people do whatever they feel befits them in the position they stand. We reject unsolicited advice.
Karua ndanetigithia gukirira utongoria wa President William Ruto akimumenereria nikiria augete ni aracokia Kenya matuku-ini ma kwigioterwo uria wari munini wa muikariri giti kiama-ini kia Jubilee David Murathe agikinyiriria matikumwitikiria.
Ruto is slowly imposing a mafia state on Kenya. This reign by gangsters is scary and unnerving. It has never been seen in Kenya, even during our past bad days. It has been said jokingly in the past, whereas other countries have a mafia, in Kenya, mafia have a country. This is now officially true.
We are cautioning Kenyans and alerting them that the era of dictatorship is back with us, and that Kenyans should not sit back and allow these people that comfort of thinking that they can subdue all of us. We will not let that happen, and we are going to engage them because that is what is right for this country.
Francis Wadedi na Irene Masit no makamicina aria matari mareyeheria eria ya magitanyo guthuthurio ni kamiti iria ikumbwo ni mutongoria wa bururi.